Good evening, folks. Mark Wilson here in the Fan Cave. You may have seen this video already, a very similar one. This is a TAT or TAT, or I don't know how it's pronounced, whether it's an abbreviation or whether it's an acronym for something, or it was actually TAT because the letters are all capitalized, but they don't have periods next to them. So anyway, I have an identical fan. If you'll avert your eyes down there, this is a fan that I got at the about a year ago, I want to say, and it showed up for free on either Facebook Marketplace or Craigslist or something, and up in a town up in New Hampshire, about an hour from me, and so I went out and picked it up. It was last week, actually, or a few days ago, I got a text from random text out of nowhere from a very nice individual that mentioned that they had a fan. They lived next door, and another very nice individual that gave me the first fan. So they said the fan was installed in the house when it was built in 1988, and the fan's actually was manufactured on the October 12th of 1987, and so they said they gave it to me for free as well. So now I have two of these fans, which is great because I like pairs of fans. Hoping to, I always have that dream of installing them somewhere. Having like a sunroom or something where I could put two fans. But anyway, without further ado, we'll take it for a test spin. Yeah, and this fan was actually made in Hong Kong, and this would have been in '87, so quite a few years before it was. Yeah, this is back when it was under British control, before Xi Jinping got his grubby mitts all over it. But I digress. And here's a shot from above. You know, the TAT, these are very distinctive by their blade patterns here. This little pitchfork, or whatever it's supposed to be, you know, I think it's just a random design to reinforce the structural integrity of the blade. I don't know exactly. Maybe it's just to, you know, for the design, but I always thought those were kind of cool. In fact, these were actually labeled under a number of different names. Were sold through, I believe, TAT or TAT is the OEM. I could be wrong, but feel free to, if you have information to the contrary, feel free to leave that in the comments section. I'll be happy to research it further if you do so. But anyway, I actually had one of these years ago. Got ruined in a flood, but it was sold by a company called Butter, B-U-T-T-E-R. Why somebody would name a fan that, I have no idea, but it was called the Hurricane model, and I had it, yeah, it was new in the box, and I believe Emerson actually sold these under their nameplate as well. But anyway, folks, thanks a lot for watching. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel called The Fan Cave. Stay tuned for more fan videos. Good night and good luck.